Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I'm going to try for the 24 karat gold cells again, and instead of going with the black, which is what I did before, I'm going to use the blue this time. This base is Liquitex Basics in Cerulean Blue. The darkest color is Violet Prism Violet. I was looking at it upside down. Liquitex. They're all Liquitex. Brilliant Purple and Cad Yellow Light Hue. And I'm only using this to lighten it up some, hopefully. It's going to turn green is my only thing. We'll just have to wait and see. And this is the 24 karat gold that I'm using instead of the Extreme Sheen. So we'll see what happens here. I have all of them, I think, mixed about the same consistency. That might be actually a little thinner, but we will see what happens. Oh, I forgot my cup. Hang on a second. So I have a 12 by 12 that is a gallery wrap canvas, and it takes 5 ounces without the sides. So this is a 9-ounce cup, and I'm going to hope I have enough paint and fill it all up. I'm going to start out with this Cerulean Blue. These paints are all mixed, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, or a little more, whatever I needed to adjust the consistency to be about the same, except for this one, and it's probably 1 part paint to 1.5 parts of Floetrol, but there's nothing else, just Floetrol. So put quite a bit of that. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it all in there because I'm going to lose a lot, but it takes a lot to cover the sides on these, more than a person might think, even though they're small. Go in with the Prism Violet. This seems a little thick. I hope it works out okay. At least these cups don't squeak like those others that I use sometimes. Those things will drive you crazy. It's like the whole time you're holding them, they're squeaking. Hope you all are having a good day. It finally rained a little bit, not enough. I don't think it rained the whole month of September, as my daughter said today when we were talking about it. She and I went shopping a little bit this morning, which was nice. It's Sunday. I'm not going to put much of this. Oh, I hope I don't have these too thick. Okay, here goes the 24 karat. I think one thing that helps with this is torching. So after I pour it, I'm going to do a straight pour. After I pour it, I'm going to torch it up and warm it up and maybe even let it sit for a minute. So oh, I hope all that gold didn't come out right in the beginning. I'm going to leave some of that blue in the bottom. It doesn't look like it has any gold. Maybe I should have let that sit for a minute. Oh me, I'm so nervous about this. Warm it up. Pop the bubbles, but warm it up. And the last time when I had actual success with this, I did stretch it a little bit and then I torched it again. So I may do that again this time. It's like an awfully lot of blue right there. I think shifting it back and forth helps with the gold coming through too. Lets it rub against the other paints. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off the side now so I can get my sides covered. I think I'm gonna take it off that, where all that gold already is next. I hope I put enough gold in it. Let that roll over there. Last time I just kept getting more and more cells popping up, so hopefully that's what will happen this time as well. I took my camera down and then put it back up, and I have no idea if you all can see what I'm doing or not. Look at all that gold in my hand. Okay, let's see what happens now. I think I'm going to torch it again. Hope I had that in frame the whole time. Hard for me to figure out until I edit. I think I should have let my cup sit for a minute longer than I did. I guess we will see. Looks like I have all my sides and corners covered. A lot of gold off that edge, of course. I actually have quite a bit all the way around. Makes it rather interesting looking. Last time it kept popping up. So, see where my paint is. I'm going to shift that down towards the middle a little bit, I think. See if that helps. I like the colors, and if that gold pops up, see, it'll start absorbing some of the color that's in these paints. So that's the thing I love about this gold. Other than its glitteriness, which is absolutely fabulous. So I will take the camera down, give you a close-up, might wait a few minutes, see if some more pop up, and then give you another close-up. So I hope you all are having a wonderful evening, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, this is what I have now. And I'm getting some of those little pearl cells, as Julie Cutts calls them. If you haven't watched Julie, if you're a new subscriber, go look for Julie Cutts, C-U-T-T-S. Well, I got a phone call that bumped me out of my video, so it's been 20 minutes. I guess this is all the gold I'm going to get. Probably didn't put enough in there when I poured it down in there this time. Or because the paint was thicker. Could have been either one of those. But that's what I've ended up with after 20 minutes. So the painting at the end will be dry. Thanks for watching.